Hello friends, as we all know how fast technology is growing, it has affected almost everything. Due to this, progress has started happening in vehicles also, so let's start today's new video. We are going to talk about self-driving cars, or we can say that self-driving cars are a technological product that can run automatically without the support of a human driver. These cars are automatically controlled with the help of various sensors, cameras, radar, leaders, and computers. Key elements of a self-driving car. 1. Sensors. Sensors are used to detect traffic and surrounding information. These sensors collect information about surrounding objects, the vehicle, and the route. 2. Computer. The heart of a self-driving car is the computer, which processes the information received from sensors and takes decisions about driving the car. 3. Maps and GPS. Self-driving cars work with local underground maps and GPS to follow the correct route. For automatic route, these cars have based driving system, where the car automatically follows the determined route and takes immediate action to avoid obstacles. 5. Safety. The manufacturers of these cars are working hard to pay attention to the safety of the vehicle. The safety devices built into them can enhance the safety of the vehicle. 6. Advantages. Self-driving cars can simplify transportation, make passengers safer, and improve accessibility. Growth areas. Self-driving cars are still in the development stage, but they could play an important role in transportation in the future. Their development can also increase people's ability to make their travel safe, alert, and automated. If you like the video, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel to give us motivation. Thank you.